ma'am. Joe's Recovery Service reporting for duty. I heard you were stuck. What were you thinking? Joe's Recovery Service reporting for duty. I heard you were stuck. What were you thinking? It's a little moist. A little moist. I mean, there's a bottom, and I was gonna push myself out, but then I broke that cylinder. Grace, I don't think she needs your help. Good job, Grace.
She slobbered and she gave me a back massage.
It's like she doesn't need the two-way cord.
She would never.
Yeah.
She was a puppy.
I'm dumping her out.
Are you coming back in here?
No. No. I was just gonna have you take it to the shed.
Oh.
I'm lazy. It's broken.
Is Dad trying to blame Mom for his...
You're lying, Mom.
I'm lying?
No, Daddy. Check, look at it.
Well, it lasted, what, a good month or two?
Quite a while.
Yeah.
And my welds didn't break, it just pulled off a little more metal. We'll weld her up good as new.
Joey texted me at like 3:40 and asked what time I would be home. I was like, what did he do? Because he never asked when I'm going to be home. And then I got home and I saw the skid loader. He's going to try to blame me, but I was not here when that happened. It happens when he gets off at work at 2. Hello. Anyways, all right, we got him unstuck. We've got Joy tied up. She's gonna get bred. We had a cedar in her last week. Took it out on Monday. And gave her a shot of lute, so now she's gonna get bred. I'm keeping like a close eye on her. She yeeted herself over a gate. An Olympic height jump, if you will. And she's just been a little off since then. She's probably sore, but we're just keeping an eye on her. Anyway, so we're gonna breed her as long as everything feels good. Get chores done. What are you doing? It's dangerous. And we also are going to band little baby goat today. He is, well, they both are. Both the kids are gonna go to their new homes tomorrow night.
Can go today.
They're gonna get picked up tomorrow. So I was gonna cut him, but from what I read on the Google, my research, Google research, banding. What?
Can we do this when we open?
We'll be home tomorrow. Yeah, you'll be home. It'll be tomorrow night.
Mom,
Google.
you want in the morning again?
No, you got daycare. School's out for the summer, man.
Well, school is like cattail.
Well, yeah. Okay, Google said that to band them, you want to do it at like 6 to 8 weeks. So we're at about probably 8-ish weeks. So we'll band him. And then Oh, baby girl. Oh, it's gonna be so sad not seeing these guys every day. But I know that they're gonna love their new adventures that they're going on. So, Cutie's probably gonna be very excited for these guys to be gone. They're pretty much weaned. They keep trying to nurse, and she's like, "No, thank you." Look at them. Oh, God, they're so cute. Hi.
I want that chicken out.
And then, oh, excuse you. Flower, on the other hand, is just hanging out with her turkey friend. The turkey just lives with her now. Ooh, a lot of them.
Not that much.
You gonna go in and get them?
Only 5. I need help. You feed me. Mom, can you put my shoes in when I'm in?
Can I what?
Can you put my shoes in when I'm in?
Your shoes?
Yeah.
Why?
Come on. Hey!
She eating you?
It was licking me.
She was laying on him. Just because you can't eat him doesn't mean you need to eat me.
What, Mom?
Cutie's trying to eat my arm. Got them all?
Yeah, but,
You might be able to climb out now, actually, from over there.
yeah, but I need to get one more egg.
Oh, the turkey egg. Good dog. I don't know how long these have been there, so I'll probably give them to the pigs.
No! No! The one, it probably those are warm. So,
Well, they're warm because she was laying on them.
can we just keep them?
Sure, we can float them at the house. What are you going to do with the turkey egg?
I don't know. Make something?
Can you grab that one or put it on top? You can only carry 4 at a time, apparently.
Put them in your short.
Probably forget those there later, but that's okay. Ooh. Say she's in heat. Said I'd say she was in heat. Pregnant?
Cornbread.
Why are you licking me? Hello? 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 Okay. A little snacky snack. Save one for me. Are we fighting? Where are you going? Want milk too? Where's mine? Got the shot of Ginger H for Joy. Was gonna give her some meloxicam, which is basically like Tylenol, Advil for cows. But unfortunately, I don't have enough for a full dose for a cow because, let me show you. They come, the pills they're tiny. Like for instance, let's see them. For a calf, I would give them 3. So for a cow, obviously they need a lot more. Typically, when we give them to cows, we put them in like a bolus. Because obviously shoving a bunch of these down their throat isn't the most fun thing in the world, but there's only 11 pills in there. And honestly, I don't think it would do much for her.
What?
I did do awesome with her loose shot.
You're not old enough to do it.
We're just gonna give her the GnRH tonight, and then maybe tomorrow I'll just run to the vet clinic and get some Alexicam. Or I really want to try out the liquid. They have a liquid Banamine, which is like a liquid Tylenol almost. I want to try that out. I don't know if our vet clinic carries it yet, but we're gonna get her feeling better. She's got some fresh hay now, so she should enjoy that. Oh joy. That's called a slip knot.
Mommy, why need this one up here?
What?
Why need this one up here?
Ah, got a cow.
I don't want that on me.
Oh.
Remember, Grace.
So protective. Have at her.
Sorry, buddy. I got no control on this one.
Oh, what? I wonder if we should put her over there for the night. Just, I don't think she lets them nurse anymore, but just so that they have a, they're not like totally shell shocked tomorrow. No. You gonna do it, Jack?
No.
Baby balls. Quick and painless.
I don't know if he'd agree with that.
Mom, what were you doing?
My testes are caught.
Castrating him.
What did that mean?
Removing his testicles so that he cannot have babies.
We don't want him breeding his sister.
Yeah, because him and his sister are going to live together. And you don't want to, yeah.
Mom will explain when you're older.
That's a topic for a different day. Okay, ready to go feed it to the kitties?
Yeah.
Are we so excited? We just had an aha moment about Joy. Yesterday, don't remember how I said she jumped the gate. I didn't think too much of it, but she jumped the gate into our fat pen where they have full feed. So we are thinking she probably has a mild case of acidosis, which can obviously get bad if not dealt with. So Joy is calling our vet. Pays to have a good vet relationship, but we'll see what we're gonna do with her. I mean, she's up. She's like, she was munching on a little bit of hay, but it's all like, it all makes sense now why she's acting like she is. So fingers crossed, see what his game plan is. We're gonna get some corn fodder in there too, because like having a lot of roughage for her to munch on will be good. And then we're also gonna make a little creek feeder for Jelly Bean because we've been needing to do that. So, hi.
Time to replace that gate.
Dad,
Even more expensive gate now.
can you watch this?
Yeah. Well, why don't
Blaming me
you?
for everything today. I was not the last one in the fridge.
Yeah, well, you don't lie. I know you did.
All right, go get your skid loader fixed.
Wait for the vet.
Yay.
At least she's not dead yet.
She's not down.
Not down.
She's not bloated.
Not bloated.
She's got a lot in her favor right now.
I can't hear you. Your son's being too loud.
They said.
Yeah. Yeah. You're welcome, Anheuser-Busch.
It'd be cooler if you were drinking out of a corn can.
It would be. They don't have them.
Thankful for Joey's brain and how that works. Like, I knew she jumped over. I knew that she was hurting, but like, feed change didn't cross my mind. So hopefully that realization, I mean, it's mild. Like, she's not down, she's not bloated. She's got a lot in her favor, so we shall wait for the vet. I think they're probably gonna pump her stomach, and I don't know if I'll have to do anything else, so I'm out of breath. Just ran up to the house to grab new shoes because these are not ideal. No, that we are on day 2 of no rain. Things are drying up. What do you think, Lisa? Things are drying up. While I wait for the vet, I'm gonna clean drinkers because we've been meaning to do that for a while, and no, I have no reason not to. So many helpers, and it never fails. I always splash water into my face. dirty cow water. Also, I thought maybe I should explain a little bit better. So, Joy's normally in that pen. Well, she is in that pen. Jumped a gate over in the back and got into this pen. This pen is all of our, what we call our fats. So basically we're finishing these cattle out. So they're on full feed. So they've got a steer stuffer and they always have access to corn, which is fine for them because they've built up to that. But for Joy, who is normally used to getting like half bucket of corn and then hay, she can overindulge herself. It's like when you're on a diet. Are you guys listening to me? When you're on a diet and you deprive yourself of, I don't know, chocolate, because chocolate's delicious. Hey, eyes up here, pay attention. And then all of a sudden you go into a room and it's just chocolate everywhere. Like, what do? You eat all the chocolate, right, Acorn? That's what I'm saying. Can't blame her. I shouldn't be joking about this. Humor's a coping mechanism. Okay, drinkers are done. Here's a mess. Just hanging out now. Joey's living right now. I don't know where it went, but there's a raccoon. A little coon hunting. Gracie, come here. Grace, come in. I really don't know where it went. Picking up weeds. I don't see him. He tricked us. Tricked us good. What is he doing? At all? What you doing?
It's in there.
It's got a hole?
Culvert.
Oh, sorry. You couldn't even see that. Nobody eats my corn. You want me to scare him?
What?
You want me to scare him?
What?
We're on watch, Gracie.
It's still in there.
Can you throw a rock in there?
Clear.
Yeah. Grace, come here.
Let's go blast.
YOLO.
Okay. Not coming. No, I don't have a gun.
It was corn control, weed control, predator control.
Predator control. Saving the eggs. Save the eggs.
Hey, boys. While we wait for the vet, I forgot to water the piggies. Yes, I did. Hello. I also feel like we might get chicks. I don't know. She's always on it. I've just left the eggs there because you never know. You standing guard? We're gonna have chicks? Okay, good talk. Sorry. I mean, if you didn't knock your water over, you'd have plenty still. Just saying. Yes, we need a pig water, okay? Someday we will, because it's not very fun to do this. But for now it works. We moved the pigs around a little bit the other day. So let's see. Peter's in this pen all by his lonesome because Petunia is getting ready to farrow again. Aren't you? So excited. She's due middle of June. So we will see if she's starting to bag up and stuff. So we wanted to get her moved so that she doesn't obviously have her piglets when Peter's in the room. I was gonna go show you her closer, but that's full of spider webs. Oh, can you get up anyways? Hey, how are you? Pretty good? Huh? Look at that. Then we have these guys over here. Uno, that's Uno, was in this pen by his lonesome until his ladies were ready to be bred, but he didn't like that. They just knocked the gate right off the hinges. But we were actually gonna move them together in June anyways, so we let it slide because we've not had time to fix the gate. So I haven't seen him try to breed anyone yet. I think there's three females out of the 6. I don't remember. Male, female, can't tell. Yeah, so he'll breed the females and then, I don't think I can make noise again. The males will obviously fatten up and take to market. They look really good though. Crazy, no one wants to see you pee.
Things have escalated very quickly today.
I was just gonna make a short video about you getting stuck.
I would have been okay with just getting stuck. Poor skid loader. Cow that wanted to eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. She's not a caterpillar though. She's a clip.
Say my first rodeo. Glove me up, doc. Or nurse.
Which is it?
I think the nurses do that.
Cough, please.
You a scrub nurse. I don't know, should I do this one-handed? Find out. It's for the content.
Lift the hood on the left side, there's a switch. Turn that back on. It helps to start it. All the way up on the firewall.
The battery one?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, he admitted it. I heard him. Do you hear him? He said he broke it.
Who broke it, Jack?
You.
Mom.
You.
Mommy did.
No, you.
Okay, Mom got it stuck though.
I wasn't even home yet.
You broke that.
I broke it.
You
No.
want a gummy bear?
Yeah, I can't do it. Can't do it. What? You gotta come up.
What about you?
What are you doing? No, thank you.
Well, my welding gloves go up to here, and
Sorry, let me do it.
got a little something going on.
Oh, yay, the vet's here.
Good. That's a burn. I think that's from chasing down a raccoon.
Alright. Fixed her right up. Pumped her stomach. Gave her some Banamine. And we're gonna give her some penicillin now. You go, girl. Hmm?
Put that in the four-wheeler.
Okay. Where was it?
Jack, put this in the four-wheeler.
What, ma'am?
Thank you, sir.
Why do you have... I want an earbud.
Too bad. Take all your anger out on that stupid, stupid gate.
No, that's not all of it.
It's even level. Kind of level. Okay, it's up. It doesn't go.
You doing the math on this gate?
Well, we got it on a really good deal.
Yeah, we're just gonna call it a $200 gate.
$200 gate.
I'm gonna assume at least a $200 gas call. So we lost money today. Grand markets were down bad too.
It won't even fit now.
That's for the baby cat. So
Why? Dad, I'm saying why.
so she can eat some grain. Jack, that gate's not tight.
That's why I'm holding it.
Yes, it
No, it's not. Mom, let go.
is.
A
No.
little better already, sweets? Huh? I'd say you eating some grain, Jack, Joe, whatever your name is. Jelly Bean, we got some grain coming for you. Into this pen, we had a little creep feeder for her.
Butt coming.
She was starting to eat grain, and then we moved her, and
Mom, it's a butt coming.
what? And life happened. So we're gonna get her back, which I think will be really helpful now because with her not eating today, her milk supply is obviously gonna be down. So baby girl will get some good food.
Bubba.
We'll see how her milk looks tomorrow. I might give her a bottle, but I think she should be alright. Huh? Oh, you almost had it. There you go. Okay, now you gotta look what we got for you. Oh, yes, nice shiny gate. Oh, here it is.
Big fat brown cow. Cows are fat.
Rude. Your new fancy red gate, Lisa. Pretty snazzy. I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
Where's one of those rage rooms?
Ooh, we could probably build one out here.
Good.
Fun. I wouldn't want to clean it up, though.
Huh?
I wouldn't want to clean it up.
Hi, Lisa. Ooh, red paint. I want to eat red paint.
Are we done?
Farm, they say. It'll be fun, they say.
Are we done?
Get out of here.
You are. I'm not.
Help me.
Huh?
It's only 8:30.
Yeah.
Good thing I put a pizza in a while ago. It's probably cold, but
Joe,
it's
don't
cooked.
play with Rose.
Real. It's been fun. But it hasn't been real fun. So much for my short video making fun of Joey for getting the skid loader stuck. Good news is, vet thinks cow's gonna be fine. She was eating hay, so hopefully we solved our problem with that. We got the gates hung. So if you're watching this and you have a gate that you need to fix, just do it. Joe's crying because he doesn't want to come to the house, but it's literally 8:30. We need to eat. We need to go to bed. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a subscribe, a like, a little comment.